then 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c, and a plus b plus c is equal to 27 under root 29. Then we have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So how to solve it? Let's see. So we have been given 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c. Let's consider that equal to x. Okay, so now 3a is equal to x, or a can be written as x upon 3. Similarly 4b is equal to x, so b will be written as x upon 4, and 6c is equal to x, so it can be written as c can be written as x upon 6. Now we have been also given a plus b plus c is equal to 27 under root 29. So a plus b plus c is equal to 27 root 29. So from this new value of a, b and c, we get a. In place of a we will write as x upon 3, plus in place of b we can write x upon 4, in place of c we will write x upon 6 is equal to 27 under root 29. Now we have to solve it. We can solve this by taking the LCM of 3, 4 and 6, that is equal to 12. So 3 in 3's table 12 comes 4 times, so 4x, plus in 4's table 12 comes 3 times, so it will be 3x. In 6's table 12 comes 2 times, so 2 will be multiplied in the numerator and it will be 2x is equal to 27 under root 29. 12 is dividing here, so it will go this side. 4x plus 3x plus 2x will be your 9x. So 9x is equal to 12 into 27 under root 29. So this 9 will be cancelling here, and it will 9 3s are 27. So x is equal to 12 3s are 36 under root 29. Now when we have got the value of x, so we can put it in the values of a, b and c, and we can get the required value of a, b and c. So a is your x upon 3, that is 36 upon 3 root 29, that gives us your 12 root 29. Similarly b will be your 36 upon 4 root 29, that will be giving us 9 root 29, and c is your 36 root 6 under root 29, that will be giving us 6 root 29. Now we have to find the value of under root a square plus b square plus c square. So on putting the value of a square plus b square plus c square, we will be getting, like in place of 12 under root 29 whole square, plus in place of b we will write 9 under root 29 whole square, and in place of c we will write 6 under root 29 whole square. So that will give us, we know that 12 square is 144, and 29 the root will get cancelled, plus 9 square 81. Okay, and this will be 29 plus 6 is 36 multiplied by 29, and then we will be getting 29 can be taken as common from all the three one, because here we get 144 plus 81 plus 36. Okay, so it will be 29, and on adding 144 plus 81 plus 36 we get 261. Okay, and then 261 can be written as 29 into 9. So 29 into 29, 129 can be taken as common, as it is a square root, and 9 square root is 3. So we will get 29 into 3, that gives us 87. So the value of under root a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 87, and hope you understood.